Hi, in this video we'll explain how to install Simple OAuth Drupal 9 module on Pantheon platform.
And now we push all the file to Pantheon server. So
Okay, the module is installed. So now we need to enable it. And now we need to generate public key and the private key. So we need to add the directory. So we can find the directory using now we have all the credentials and the info where to connect to the server and to generate the public key and the private key. So we can use FileZilla and install Simple OAuth. Okay, and we can use the credentials host. Okay, SFTP. Sorry. Key file, and now the user SSH all file. Okay, now it works. So we go to code, then web, so we did the previous public and private key.
and we put it here. Okay. Save. And now we add a client. Okay. Simple OAuth. For security we can change that. So we need to create a new role. We can name it consumer. And for secret, we can use this. And let's go for consumer. And now we have our link.
uh, Here we need to push to commit the private and public key. So now to test our work we need to use Postman platform. So we create a new tab and we use our base path OAuth token, then post method, then with on the body this credentials of this info or this info. So the grant type password, the client ID is here in the clients. The client secret that we put it simple that here. I think we named it Simple OAuth secret and the username admin of our account and the password is admin. Now and voila, it works. This is the access token and this is the refresh token. Thank you guys.